Let's show you guys something really special, and this time we're talking about fishing in a new way. This technique will actually help you pick more than just fish. You'd actually get anything that this tube will get. And when it comes to something like this, don't be alarmed if something you don't like or scares you is in the mix. Would you guys dare to do the fishing on your own today? Such a big piece of fish would not be the easiest one to be caught if you try it the usual and old way.